Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unlock Mega Saturn on Binding of Isaac Repentance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, after you have completed your run on Isaac, you will be able to get this particular secret unlocked, the angels await, and it indicates that now you will be able to fight with the Mega Saturn right there in the Binding of Isaac, right? The thing is, to do that you'll have to access two of the angel statues, and you have to bomb the statues so you can get the two key pieces for you to enter the golden gate for you to fight the Mega Saturn. So after that you have completed a run, access the angels await secret. All you have to do is simply access the two statues which you will find after killing the blue baby or the lamb, right? Once you have done so, you will be able to access it. Afterwards, when you simply choose to go to the dark room, or you can simply go to this particular room right over here, you will be able to access this golden gate, and you can see the particular here two key parts. You can also see that, and once you have acquired, it will simply form a single key, and it will be following around, and you can play it with any character that you would like. All you have to do is simply access the chamber, or you can access the dark room, and simply without even, you don't even need to fight the lamb right over here or the guard. You simply can choose to go through the golden gate using the key. There in the pentagon, all you have to do is now step on the particular dark room pentagon, and you will be able to fight with Mega Saturn right over there. It will automatically start and you're good to go. So that is a process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.